Hello, my amazing creative friends. Today I have something super exciting for you and something to challenge you. Today I'm going to show you how I went from this sketch to two different styles of repeat pattern elements. And this is the third and final video in the series where I was showing how to create vector repeat elements out of a sketch. And in this video, we're going to be creating repeat patterns with those elements. So if you want to follow along, please check out part number 1, video number 1, where I created vector elements out of the sketch leaves by hand, meaning I used vector drawing tools for that. In Adobe Illustrator, of course, and in this second video that I already created last week, I showed you how to create image trace or automatic live trace elements from a sketch in Adobe Illustrator, and here are the two results that I created in the previous videos. So what's going on today? Today it's pattern time. So I created two repeat patterns to show you guys and a challenge for you to go along with it, to explore your elements that you create, your sketches and your repeat pattern design styles even more using my example. So what I did, I created two patterns. Here's the first pattern that I created using these elements which were traced by hand. And this is how I created it. So I'm using the leaf elements that I traced by hand based on my sketch. I'm organizing them in this organic manner. By the way, I'm using my own symbols on repeat method of designing patterns in Adobe Illustrator, which I will detail how to use it in this video that I'm linking in the info card and below. And I'm organizing the leaves, varying the size of each leaf and adjusting if something sticks out. Once I am done with the composition and I like how it looks, I clean everything up one last time, and I'm going to create a seamless swatch with this pattern in the new file that I saved using a special script which is called Magic Eraser. After I was done with that one, I decided to create a second one with the live traced, the image traced, automatically traced in Adobe Illustrator. And here how I created that one. I'm using the same symbols on repeat system, and I am creating groups of leaf elements to rotating them and then copying them to spread all the leaves evenly across my pattern. And I'm going to also use a white background just to make it a little bit similar to the previous one, but also different, so they can see comparison. Once I like the layout, I copy it, and then I copy some of the leaves, make little transparent small versions of them to add a little bit more depth and interest to this pattern. All right, so I save it as a new file and trim again. Alright, so back to our patterns. So here are the patterns, and I actually am pretty satisfied with both. I think I will keep them both for my microstock galleries. I will post them both for sale, so that is kind of exciting. I think I will still a little bit more gravitating towards traced by hand pattern, because it is normally what actually is my style and has been for many years. But it was definitely super fun to see how my elements would look like in more rough kind of maybe ink style or sketch style. That was definitely fun to see. All right, so I have a challenge for you guys. What I want you guys to try is to first create sketches of your elements. Let's zoom in a little bit. Create sketches of your elements that you want to experiment with. 2. Create hand traced and live traced or automatically traced vector elements from your sketch. create 2 vector patterns with just like I did, with the same elements, not the same as me, but your elements. And the number 4 is, please join our Facebook group. It's a free group, Repeat Pattern Design Mastermind on Facebook. Link is below, and share your challenge with us. Everyone would love to see what you created, and we have a super fun and engaged community right there to encourage and support each other and answer each other's questions. All right, so this is my challenge for you guys today. Please let me know if you like this type of challenge video, and I'm excited to see your results. All right, so what I want you also to do is to let me know which pattern style did you like more in my particular patterns. Is it a live trace or traced by hand in Adobe Illustrator? Please share in the comments below, and also let me know if you're going to take me up on this challenge or not. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It was fun to come up with this challenge for you. I'm so excited to see everybody's patterns and different styles that everyone will come up with. Please, if you liked this video, like it and subscribe if you want more videos just like this one. Thank you so much once again. Grow, love, and create. Bye!